In my life in Malaysia, I come across many entrepreneurs, and I'm always curious what drives them, what makes them tick, how does the mind work. So when I came across Eddie Tan, the founder of Caketella, I of course had to ask him, can I have a tour across your premises? He agreed, and so here we go with my newest video about Caketella. Now, out of respect, please be aware that Caketella is very much specialized in alcoholic cakes, even though they recently ventured into keto cakes. So if this upsets you, please stop watching right now. Otherwise, enjoy the video.
All right, let's get started.
Let me take you on a tour.
So here we're gonna go up the stairs.
Over here. Yeah. So this is our front of house. So usually customer will come outside and collect their cakes. So we just, our customer service team, and here we have walk-in fridge and freezer.
Okay, let me see what's going on over there. And what do you see here?
These are cold rooms. So this is like a fridge. This is a freezer.
Okay, what's the temperature in there?
This is 3 to 7. This is negative 25.
Negative 25, so basically very, very cold.
Is Germany also negative 25?
Well, not to negative 25. Let's take a look inside. All right. Oops. Wow.
So this
I
is...
hope my phone can continue working.
Yeah,
it's cold.
it's very cold because there's a fan blowing. Otherwise it's not as cold. Yeah.
That is like really minus 25, and coming from Malaysia, being 33 outside, and here now minus 25. All right.
So we're going to be having the multi ice cream. That's one of the camping going on.
Wow, cool. Let me see a picture of this one.
So this is all the ice cream going out to all the outlets.
They are all so cold.
Let's go.
Okay. Woo. Shall we go out again?
You want to get locked inside?
If we're gonna get locked inside, just you go first. Okay, hold on, I'm outside. Oh, that was really, really cold.
Yeah. So this part is storage kitchen.
Storage room. Okay, over there, a couple of guys looking very, very busy of what they're doing.
Washing.
What's going on over there?
Washing.
Oh, just washing. Okay.
So this is our new.
Hygiene is very important in your business.
This is our production kitchen. We make it really, really bright and a bit more aesthetic because we have the film content. So usually we do all the production here. Right now there's not much things going on.
Okay. What do we see here then?
We are making tiramisu, right? Yeah. So the recipe is here. So this is a marble table.
What kind of table?
This is marble.
Oh, marble, okay.
So then we can temper our chocolate, which means we can do a lot of chocolate work here.
Okay.
Compared to the normal stainless
steel. It will also be cleaned always, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Absolutely. So
then,
hygiene is very
over here we
right?
hang our machine, our tools, and then just show you this cool part. Okay, I think this is the coolest part. It's cool because it's all about ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, so that's a chocolate shaving machine.
Chocolate what?
Shaving. It shaves chocolate.
Okay. Right. All right. Let me see the chocolate here. That we do see here.
So we are setting it up.
Wow. Okay. Cool. All right. Then what happened to the chocolate afterwards?
We will shave into like a curl, like a chocolate curl.
Like he's setting it up right now.
Something like, you know, Black Forest, the
yes,
decoration of Black Forest, yeah, something like that.
So what is he doing here right now?
Setting up the machine.
All right. Must be very careful in doing that, isn't it? Wow. Every morning and evening you clean it out?
I'm sorry?
You in the evening time it gets cleaned, and then in the morning time you're setting it up freshly?
We use once a week for this machine,
right.
Less than that.
Oh, I see. Okay.
This is a more interesting one. This is it's a bit tight here.
What do we see here?
This is called a pasteurizer. They're making ice cream.
Oh.
So you normally this will mix. It will cook to a certain temperature to kill out the bacteria, which we call it pasteurization. Okay. After that, it will cool down to a chiller temperature, like 3 Celsius, really cold, and then we tap it out from here. So it's like a milk bar like that, right? Then we will keep the mixture overnight in the fridge, and then this is our ice cream machine. So this is like a Ferrari of ice cream machine.
The Ferrari of ice cream.
The brand is called Cappuccini. It's the top of the top.
I see.
Right. So like this is like you've been to 7-Eleven, the slurpee machine. Yeah, so it looks very similar.
All right.
So normally we have to set out all the parts, and then yeah. So when the ice cream is ready, we will just pour in and we will churn it out.
Okay. And where it gets packed afterwards?
We pour in here, then it will come out from here. Then once it's done, we will put it here. This is called a blast freezer. A blast freezer You put anything inside, let's say 2 hours, it will become ice.
Whoa,
Right.
okay. But now it's empty, right?
Now it's empty. Just like
As I can see clearly.
it's like an oven, just that it's the opposite. It
Oh, I
freezes
see,
stuff.
okay.
Right.
Cool.
And then over here,
Over here,
over here we have a spray booth.
spray room. What is a spray room?
Spray booth. It's like, you know, your car, you know, they spray your car.
Yes,
Similar, we
exactly.
spray our cakes.
Oh,
Just that
okay.
instead of paint, we use cocoa butter.
Okay, okay.
So
There's
that's
nothing in
like,
production here right now, isn't it?
yeah, there's nothing. Usually production goes on in the afternoon.
What is this one here?
This is the oven where we actually do all the baking.
I see, okay, okay. All right.
Let me show you our old place.
Can I go out again?
Are you filming?
I'm recording right now.
Okay, let me show you our old kitchen. So right now we have 2 kitchens. We have Caketella, where we make alcohol cakes, and then we have
Alright.
keto cakes.
I
Keto
see.
cakes
The
is,
keto cake is
su-
the newest one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sugarless, gluten-free. So
Right.
it's just 2 doors away.
Interesting. That's the newest expansion, is it?
Yes.
It's still about Caketella, everything. All right, no entry, which is a good sign.
Right, so yeah, this is our kitchen. So temporarily we put in some old fridge because we are looking for another unit to rent. So we
Okay.
just park our fridges here. Here we have 3 ovens where we actually do all the baking.
Okay.
My dad, Andres, yeah.
Good
he's
morning,
the front.
Jocelyn.
Yeah, it's Gangwo NLP, Gangwo psychology. Right.
What is he doing? Wow.
You see, we are whipping the cream.
Okay.
So here we make a lot of crib cakes.
Interesting.
And today, unfortunately, so these are all the custard for the crib cake. So for example, this is Nutella, that's caramel. We will add in whipping cream,
Nutella here. Which one is this?
caramel.
And this one?
It's all the same, caramel and Nutella.
Nice.
Here we don't have.
And then
And then we actually do a lot of B2B supply, which means we supply to cafes and restaurants. So these are all crib machines, crib
Okay.
cakes. So previously we used to fry with a frying pan by ourselves.
Okay.
Right now we have 4 machines. They are automated, so they just fry by themselves.
all right, beautiful. Wow. What do you see in here?
So these are all the cream for the crib cakes. So
Already made already, isn't
flavor,
it?
yeah. So for example, lemon, green tea, dark chocolate, vanilla.
How's the demand for this
Sorry?
keto cake? Demand is high.
This is not for keto. This is for B2B.
Oh, I see.
So
Okay.
keto is another section. Okay, this is a food processor.
All right.
This is almost 20,000.
Ringgit.
Yeah, ringgit. This is
Okay,
like
wow.
super heavy duty. You can put 6 liters inside.
Wow.
Okay, let me show you the keto cake side. So
All
here
right.
it's keto cakes, where we make everything without flour
I see.
and
Okay.
sugar. So here we have the oven, where we do all the baking. Just that we have 2 ovens. This is a normal deck oven.
Okay.
Deck oven, which means it's just upper heat and bottom heat.
That's probably assumed to have in bakery, isn't it?
Yeah. So if you look lower down, you can see there's fire. You can see that. You see the
Okay, I
flame?
can see. Yeah.
No, you can put your phone inside, it will melt.
I get that. Yeah.
Okay. And then over here we have a combi oven.
What oven?
We call it combi. Combi means a combination.
Okay.
Which means it can produce steam and
right.
dry heat. So from that we can manipulate the texture of keto cake.
Right. Okay.
So this thing costs us around 60K just for this oven.
Wow. Right. Well, the investment is very high that you did here, isn't it?
I mean, for good quality ingredient, yes, but we started off with normal oven and everything.
Right.
So
right.
here
When did you start off?
started 11 years ago.
11
Yeah, I used to bake from home.
That means you were just about 24 years old, right?
Yeah, actually I started 22, but not full time. Yeah. So
Right.
if you talk about full time, it's 11 years.
Wow.
Right. So here we have this is like a 40 liter
40 liter of?
mixing bowl. It's really heavy.
I get that, yeah. Very deep to look inside.
So just for comparison, this is how big this is. Okay, and
All right.
so
then what comes
then
next?
yeah.
So we're here in the morning time, you're all setting it up right now, isn't it?
Yes, correct.
So nothing is really in production right now.
For us, because we just went through Mother's Day,
Oh, okay.
Mother's Day is one top, like the best day of the year.
Of course.
Because of sales. So today we have less people working because of everyone's recuperating.
So how many people are you having right now?
Around 30.
How many?
30 plus.
people, all right. And they're all busy during Mother's Day, is it?
Yeah. So here also we have another ice cream machine for keto ice cream. We are working on a ketogenic ice cream.
All right.
So yeah, just now the ice cream machine you saw, that was a more high-end one. It's still 30,000 this.
Wow.
That was 90,000.
Wow.
Right. So we started with a small 2,000 ringgit ice cream machine.
Right.
And then we bought a 30K machine. And then we eventually bought a 80K.
So based on demand, you always increase capacity.
I mean, everything should start from
small,
right? Yeah.
That would be an entrepreneurial advice for somebody who wants to start something similar, isn't it?
Just start small. Like whatever you see today are result of 11 years of hard work.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So 11 years.
Another cold room.
Yeah. Here we have.
I think I've been in there before, right?
Yeah. We got another few, and yeah, that's about it. Here it's a bit
and
messy.
here are the jackets for the people who have to get to work inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
But just in
But
case.
sometimes they do spend like 10-15 minutes in the freezer.
Oh, I get that, yeah.
Yeah, our printer, our label printer, it's a bit messy.
Just the normal stuff that we need to have for administrative purposes, right?
So these are our packaging, printer, and so on.
Right. Okay, got it.
Let me show you upstairs, storage. Okay, let's go up.
So right now you've got 2 buildings, right?
Yes. We are looking for the third one.
So further expansion is happening soon, isn't it?
Yes.
So Caketella as a market player to watch out for.
Well, we have a few brands, so yeah. Okay.
So here we get into in the warehouse, right?
Here we have a restroom.
Just in case somebody needs to have a rest.
Usually lunch break, they will just come here and
I
nap.
see, okay. How big is the size here of the warehouse?
2,000 square feet each floor. Right.
Oh, I see, okay.
So yeah, then let me show you my office. It's just a simple setup. So
Which office do we choose today?
this is our marketing team. It's connected.
Okay, can come in, okay.
Morning. So yeah.
Good morning. Okay, can I?
You should speak Malay. They will be impressed.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah, come. So this is our marketing team. Where all those boards are where we park in our.
Is this what I can't record? Is it?
Yeah, no, just record.
Is it okay?
It's fine. Right.
Wow, busy at work. Doing what?
Playing games.
Playing games. Hold on, are we getting in here?
Yeah, this is
Another gaming room.
Our head of operation.
Another gaming room, you mean? Yeah.
There, the control.
I see. Okay, gaming must be necessary as well for relaxation and all that, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is my table.
The big boss got just a normal table. That's nice to know as well, isn't it?
This fell down.
Oh, this one looks familiar as well. Gotta take this one in. I see. It comes from somewhere in a very important piece. Okay. So for the
It's one of the. This is one of the sets that I keep and I display.
All right. We go out and come back to the warehouse.
So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Until next time, terima kasih, jumpa lagi, and bye bye.